competition. Now, there's one more truck that has fixed come out here, and that's Ashley Sanford and Megalodon. They are literally finishing getting that tire back on her. She gets up that VKT tire. She's been put on the 60-second clock to get out here. She doesn't get it out here within those 60 seconds. She will not be able to compete. Right now, she has 35 seconds remaining in order to compete here in the donut competition. And we want her to